Are you tired of coming back from vacations to find your garden or balcony plants dried out and wilting? Do you usually end up asking friends or neighbors to take care of your plants while you're away? Well, say goodbye to those worries. Today, we're going to show you an innovative based plant watering system that lets you water your plants from anywhere in the world. This system allows you to monitor the soil moisture, temperature, and humidity level. You can water your plants in two modes, automatic and manual. In automatic mode, the system waters the plants when the soil moisture is low. In manual mode, you can control the watering through a mobile application. Let's dive into how it all works. The ESP sends this data to our mobile application in real time. Now, let's look at the mobile application. The app displays live data from the sensors, allowing you to monitor your garden's condition from anywhere. You can also manually water your plants with just a tap on your phone. With this smart watering system, you can enjoy your time away from home without worrying about your plants. Whether you're on vacation, at work, or simply busy, your plants will always be taken care of. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.